folks, I'm Brian Dacey, General Sales Manager for Worldwide RV, and it's that time of year again. Now through September 9th, take advantage of our annual Labor Day model year blowout sale. That also includes pre-owned units. This is a great time to take advantage and get out of the heat. But it really is actually pretty hot out here. Doesn't matter what you're looking for, we probably have it here. I'm going to give you a couple of examples. 2023 Jayco J-Feather 21 mml, retail $54,808. On sale now through September 9th for $32,741. We didn't just decide to throw out the least desirable floor plans. No. This is the 29 MV. So this is a 2023 Jayco Greyhawk 29 MV. Easily the most popular floor plan in the quietest riding, best handling Class C in the industry. MSRP on this, over $180,000. Right now, through September 9th, $111,541. If you're looking for a fifth wheel, boy, you're gonna love what's underneath me. This is a brand new, just arrived 2024 Jayco Northpoint 340 CKTS. Let's go underneath and see what's inside. You're gonna love this one. If you're looking for a fifth wheel, this 340 CKTS Northpoint is outstanding. It's 108 degrees outside. It's really nice and cool in here. So a couple of cool things about it, aside from the fact that you've got this rear pull-out couch and you've got recliners here across from the TV, entertainment system. Love this. Guns, gold, and Bibles. Whatever you want to hide, you can hide it in there. That's pretty cool. So anyway, this is a really cool floor plan. This one is $145,887. Right now it's on sale $98,741. But Brian, we don't have thousands of dollars to spend on a trailer. We'd like to get out of town too. No problem, we've got you covered. This 2016 Jayco J-Feather 17 XFD sleeps up to 7 people. This thing is gorgeous. It's a hybrid. In fact, not only do we have this, we have we have a lot of pre-owned travel trailers that fit just about any budget. This 2019 open range 32 VHS. It's got a separate rear bunk room. Tons of seating here, if you can imagine any more than that, good luck. But this is another example. But for those of you who don't need a really big trailer, maybe it's a couple, but you want to get out of here in the heat, how about this 2021 Forest River Rockwood A-frame? This is a perfect little unit. Obviously she's an A-frame. This collapses to where the profile is here. Easy to fit behind a wall. Easy to get to the campground and then set up. You got a front loader here. She's got an air conditioning, heating, got a bed, dinette. Come on inside, take a look real quick. This is gorgeous. Dinette, stove, sink, everything that you would need inside of this unit exists. So don't spend this Labor Day in the heat wondering what could have been. Let us help you find the Jayco you've been looking for and help you get away from it all. After all, you deserve it.